Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to feed the rabbit in Heartopia. In Heartopia, there's a quest or daily activity where you can feed wild animals, and one of them is the rabbit, like this, rabbit or bunny, like this, and then you can find this animal at these locations over here near the bus stop, like this, and then just remember, every wild animal in Heartopia has its own favorite weather and favorite food. And for this bunny, its favorite weather is rainbows and bright weather, and its favorite food is wheat, carrot, and strawberry. So to make it grow faster, just make sure you feed it during its favorite weather or just give it its favorite food. And then in here, I will just give it favorite food. Its favorite is wheat, like this. And then next, just simply tap on feed, like this. After feeding it for some time, you will usually receive a random reward. So don't forget to check back and keep feeding it consistently. And the reward usually will spawn at 6 a.m. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.